Welcome to Reviewsinsidetv, where we bring you the latest insights and thorough reviews on the best home appliances. Today, we're diving into the Dirt Devil Bagless Canister Vacuum Cleaner, a powerhouse for tackling everything from carpets to hard floors. With a host of features designed to make cleaning easier, it's time to see if this vacuum truly lives up to the Dirt Devil name. The Dirt Devil Bagless Canister Vacuum Cleaner is a compact, versatile cleaning machine designed to handle multiple surfaces with ease. It boasts cyclonic technology, which is a big deal for maintaining powerful suction throughout your cleaning session. Whether you're dealing with high-pile carpets, area rugs, or hardwood floors, this vacuum promises to make quick work of it. The multi-floor nozzle ensures a smooth transition between different surfaces, making it an ideal choice for those with a mixed flooring setup. It's corded, so there's no need to worry about charging time or battery drop-off, offering a consistent performance for as long as you need. One of the standout features of the Dirt Devil is its lightweight design. At just under 10 pounds, it's easy to carry from room to room, and its compact size means you won't struggle to store it either. This is particularly helpful if you live in a smaller space or need something that doesn't take up much storage room. As for maneuverability, the canister style and smooth wheels make it effortless to glide across your floors, whether you're cleaning in tight spaces or reaching up high. Speaking of high, the extended reach capability allows you to clean everything from baseboards to ceiling corners with ease, making it perfect for those who like a thorough clean throughout their home. Maintenance is another area where Dirt Devil has you covered. It comes with a rinseable, reusable HEPA media filter that's designed to capture dirt and dust, making it suitable for those with allergies or asthma. The large, easy-to-empty dirt cup makes disposing of debris a breeze. Just one touch, and it's ready for the next round of cleaning. Plus, the one-touch cord rewind feature means you won't have to deal with tangled cords when you're done, keeping storage neat and tidy. In terms of performance, this vacuum does a solid job across various cleaning tasks. On hard floors, the suction power is strong enough to pick up fine dust, crumbs, and other small debris. It glides easily without pushing dirt around, which is a problem that some vacuums face on smooth surfaces. On carpets, it handles embedded dirt and pet hair surprisingly well, thanks to its powerful cyclonic suction. The vacuum's ability to clean up pet hair without clogging is a major plus for those with furry friends at home. Additionally, the tools included, like a crevice tool and upholstery brush, are perfect for cleaning stairs, furniture, and even car interiors, so you're covered for those trickier spots too. However, no vacuum is perfect, and the Dirt Devil has a few limitations worth noting. While it excels on flat surfaces, it may struggle a bit with deep pile carpets, especially if you're dealing with thicker fibers or heavy debris. The noise level is also something to keep in mind. While not unbearable, it's definitely louder than some other models, especially when you switch to high suction mode for more intense cleaning tasks. If noise is a concern, this could be a deal breaker for some. Another thing to consider is the cord length. While it's generally long enough for most tasks, if you have a large home or multiple levels, you may find yourself plugging and unplugging a few times to cover the entire area. That said, the extended reach function and maneuverability do mitigate this issue somewhat. Now, let's talk about value. The Dirt Devil Bagless Canister Vacuum Cleaner offers a lot of performance for its price. The cyclonic suction, lightweight design, and useful attachments make it a strong contender in the budget vacuum market. However, if you're comparing it to other vacuums in the same price range, such as the Shark Navigator or Bissell CleanView, you may find that those offer a bit more in terms of specialized features, like more advanced filtration systems or slightly better performance on carpets. Still, for the price, the Dirt Devil offers solid value for homeowners who need something reliable without breaking the bank. When compared to other vacuums in the market, the Dirt Devil stands its ground, but doesn't necessarily outperform its competitors in every category. The Shark Navigator, for example, has a larger dustbin and quieter operation, making it a better choice for larger homes or those sensitive to noise. On the other hand, If you prefer a canister vacuum that is easy to move around and don't mind a bit of extra noise, this model is a great option. Build quality is another area where Dirt Devil shows that it's built to last, but not without compromises. The materials are sturdy, though they don't feel quite as premium as some higher-end models. The connections and parts are well designed and simple to maintain, with easy access to the brush roll and filters. The canister itself is durable, and the hose is flexible enough to handle all sorts of cleaning scenarios without feeling flimsy. When it comes to customer support, Dirt Devil offers solid assistance, with a reputation for being responsive and helpful. While you may not need to rely on it often, it's good to know that if an issue arises, their customer service team is ready to assist. For those of you wondering about smart features, this vacuum doesn't have any fancy app integrations or automatic mapping like robot vacuums do, but it's focused on getting the job done without unnecessary complexity. If you're after a no-nonsense vacuum that gets results, the Dirt Devil is your guy. To wrap up, the Dirt Devil Bagless Canister Vacuum Cleaner is an excellent choice for anyone looking for a reliable, lightweight, and versatile vacuum that can handle both carpets and hard floors. It's particularly great for homes with pets, allergy sufferers, or those who need something simple yet effective for everyday cleaning tasks. While it's not the quietest or the best for deep carpets, its overall performance and ease of use make it a great value for money. If you're in the market for a budget-friendly canister vacuum, it's definitely worth considering. Thanks for watching today's review. If you've enjoyed this breakdown, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe, and ring the bell for more reviews from Reviewsinsidetv. If you have any questions or want to share your experience with this vacuum, feel free to leave a comment below. We love hearing from you. Goodbye till next time, and remember, clean smarter, not harder.